So if you want to record videos using the both front and back camera on your Snapchat, here's the process how you can do that using Snapchat built-in feature. So the Snapchat has a built-in feature called dual camera that lets you record with the both front and back camera at the same time. Here's the process how you can use it. First of all, launch the camera on your device. First of all, you have to launch the Snapchat app on your iPhone. Once you have launched the Snapchat app on your iPhone, make sure you are on the camera screen where you can see the front face or the camera view. After that, on the top right corner of the screen, you can find the many options. Just tap on the arrow option like this. And you have to tap on the dual camera icon which look like the two overlapping camera. And you can find this icon on the right side of the screen where you are in the camera view. So here you can see that once you have activated, once you have activated Once you have activated, you will see a split screen view, the front and back camera working simultaneously. And you can change the layout of the camera here too, like this. Here you can see that. After that, you can press on the circle option here to capture your dual camera recording here. Just press the last capture button to start your video with the both camera. Once you have recorded the video, you can edit it with the Snapchat feature and share it with your friend or post it in your story. So with the Snapchat dual camera mode, you can add a creative touch to your snap by capturing content from both angles at the same time. So this video will help you to record videos with both front and back camera on your iPhone with the help of Snapchat. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.